Fantastic. Energy Blast. Golden Strike. Sorry, garmadon. Ninjago doesn't need you anymore. No. I will make Ninjago pee. And Spira, we meet again. She looks like Piper. She's Piper's sister. And I am the fire snake that took his powers. Fire! Something is going to stop you. The only real wise. Fire! So, what did your father say? He said the only would rise. Sure, he meant the fire snake? Because a spirit should have actually killed him. I know. So, what does that mean? By the way, is Hirumi dead? Because she... No. She's alive. How can you tell Zane? I can feel her presence. Well, Ninjago's saved. Ah! Well? Wait a second. His raptor aging. Does this mean what I think it means? I don't know, Lloyd. But since the root is really coming back, that means... Blue! You're a man again! I mean, I know it's Kai. I know what you meant. I know I'm an old man again. But... it's fine. I'm used to it. I'm used to it again. Now, just we must go to stop Spira and Onigami, who is still at large. Ah! Jay! Where am I? Onigami? Welcome to Prime Empire, my world. The one world where you and your friends can't escape from. My friends, I don't see them here. They'll be here soon. They'll escape once you defeat the boss, which is me. Now you and your team are split up again. Kai's not here. It's just you, Cole, and they against me and my friends. I am Onigami. Great. So, what? In a video game? Yeah. Seems that way. Guess Onigami was creating a video game. That's why you created Zen. I guess so. But where are the others? I don't know. Jay, Kai, Mark, Jay, Cole, and Zane. They're in a video game with Onigami. And we have to stop Spira. That's why we have been set in the video game? Yes. Well then. Good task. Peace out.